nasty. That's nasty. Hey, baby girl, you better quit kissing this nigga for your damn lip. Blunt.
That's the same thing they say when I ate the dirt and grass.
You gotta eat that, baby. You gotta eat dairy before you die. That's something we all got promised to us. But that dog, you ain't gotta kiss no nasty ass dog mouth. You can't tell me that dog's tongue is good, cause he licks his own self.
Is clean.
My cat licks his own self. The dogs, they nasty. They're nasty.
A pig, pork.
She ain't pork
is the nastiest. It's the nastiest. No, it's the nastiest animal on this entire earth.
I eat pork before I kiss a dog.
Haramus.
I eat pork.
You ask a Muslim why you don't eat pork.
Muslims is some bullshit.
No, look.
You want to get in some
ask
real
my
shit?
Max.
Muslims
Max
are bullshit. Muslims are liars. Them bastards pray to a goddamn different God every day of the week. Ain't no damn God for no 365 days.
This is my brother, right? I love him for who he is.
And he know you a lying ass nigga too.
What? He's a Muslim, right?
They're not right.
No, he's right though.
I'm telling you.
He's right, because the religion is not what we're here for.
Okay, but his religion is, listen, his religion is he believes 365 days that he pray to a different God every day, right? That shit's not real.
No, let him
that shit's not real. Just like Christianity, it's not real. They put black people in the church to play like
this is a brother that I know.
But no, they put us in the church because we were slaves and they were scared we was gonna kill their ass. That shit ain't real. Y'all better go listen to
y'all talking about all
that shit.
No, speak about the Muslim. Since you believe in Islam,
what
right?
you believe in?
No, listen, I don't believe in religion.
Because it ain't no religion. Religion is fake. That's real shit. That's real shit.
What I'm here for.
So religion, Muslim, all that shit is not real to me.
Okay, so since you, this is a Muslim.
All I know is pork is haram to me.
Pork is haram to all black people. They gave all motherfuckers the pork to the poor, the pork to the slaves. The slaves turned around and made it something good. But they eat that shit. It ain't good for them.
Don't even have veins, Miss Lady.
But beef ain't good for you either.
I don't eat meat. The only meat Hey, come get you. What you doing?
Why y'all playing?
Why y'all just didn't let him play? I know. Hey, he okay, bro?
No, man.
Bro, that's how they gonna be friends.
No, listen. We go together to be able to defeat the enemy, not come against each other, my man. You hear what I'm saying?
That little boy ain't doing it. Put him in training. You better teach him how to fight before you grow up and get his ass kicked.
I don't want him fighting nobody.
You better.
No.
You better.
I know he.
The world is not no fucking sanctified to be holding these kids.
You ain't listening.
Don't go strike him. You hear what I'm saying?
If a nigga swing on me, he better hit
Okay, no, listen. When he swing, that's when you say, you know, okay, let's go. But before a man swing at you, keep your peace.
But check this out. We ain't in them days now. We in the days niggas shoot first. They ain't hit no more. Niggas is not hit.
Keep my peace. I can defend myself.
Okay.
All right.
You need to teach
him. So if a nigga come at me, nigga, he better be.
So you gotta teach your son to defend.
Why you shaking
No, because you're saying the right thing.
Nah, nigga, you telling me you a turn on me.
Never.
No, real shit. That's teaching your son to get the stability to defend himself.
The word I come from, so
when you was young,
the where I come from, listen, the where I come from,
that's what it is, the world.
You need to watch yourself. Because listen, I come over here to show you.
Nigga, how am I gonna listen to you when you ain't listening to me?
I'm listening to you. Listen, you told me not to shake the left hand, and I gave you the right. That's listening.
Right. Quit being important.
You see that? No, I don't want him to go crazy, man.
Let him go crazy.
No. Let him go crazy. No.
Oh, he's killing him. He's killing him. He's killing him.
Together, man.
He's killing him.
Yo, my son fought every day. I mean, these niggas fought every day. I let them fight. They love each other to death. That's his shit. That's his song.
Man, he just ate berries.
Them berries got him dancing.
Hey, Africa, get down. Oh, lo. Oh, lo. Get down.
Jelly.
Oh, lo. Oh, lo.
Them berries that gave him.
They got strength now. Them niggas got strength of a lion right now.
Get down. Oh, lo. Oh. What's that? Get down.
Hey.
Oh, lo. Oh, lo. Hiya. Get down.
Brr.
Loud one. want you to be at the promised land state.
Catch us on B Black, you know that's where we stay, nigga. That's our site. Catch us out there, you hear me?
Hey, like I'm telling you, when our community learn how to love one another, we go against the enemy, we don't go against each other. Do you hear what I'm saying? The root gotta be with the branch in order to call it a tree. A full tree gotta be with the branch and with the roots, okay? Now, if you have just branches, you don't have a tree. If you just have roots, you don't have a tree. You gotta have all together. And that's what we're here to do, put everything together. It's okay, man, Max.
You came here to do something.
This is the Madman. Iron Lion Zion. Nazoku kubeta na yozoska nanga bima nanzela we petit. Do y'all hear what I'm saying? Hey, Dugu, mwambie kitu.
Mimi niko mtoto. Mimi niko Jamar. It's my name. I'm from Africa. I eat junk all the time. It's my food over there. Maybe I can get it next time. Maybe night. I can get it. This is my food.
You are crazy.
That food is making me happy, man. I don't know. Yeah, I was at 10 years. Me go find the junk to this.
Sack them up and sell them, huh?
No lose it though.
Chop him a bird chop so he can take it.
I'm about to move in a couple months. You can come cut the tree down.
Hey, don't worry. Hey, you don't even gotta move before we cut it down. You don't even gotta move before we cut it down. We're gonna come while you sleep. Don't worry about it. When you stop, when you hear, don't wake up, cause it's gonna be us out here tearing it down.
I will take you home.
I just gotta go get my truck real quick. Come back. When you hear, that means we're gone. Then you can wake up. That's the African style. Baba did all what to it. Baba did all what to it. Murudi migwa.
Jendo munya Afrika.
Munya Afrika
Yeah. Munya
Mwana
Afrika.
wa Israel.
Yeah, Israel. Yeah. Mtoto wa Israel. Yeah.
Nuambere Yesu nuambere. Nuambere ya maya maoro nuambere.
Come on.
Nuambere Yesu nuambere.
Come on.
Nuambere ya maya maoro nuambere.
Hey.
Dio mana dusendira komeye. Dio mana tabura guseruka. Dio mana yumba masengesho. Dio mana dusendira komeye. Ninziza yangiriye neza umutima wanjye himbazi yo mana. Ninziza yaduhaye amahoro umutima wanjye himbazi